What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses, if you must, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing two new sneakers that I just got. I usually don't show sneakers, but we're going to do it today. This is my first time ordering off of the GOAT app, so I'm going to show you that first, and then I'm going to show you what I got from Foot Locker. Now, these are like, I'm going to open them now. These are not like the most amazing sneakers ever, but they're cute and I like them. And I feel like these sneakers definitely I can wear with almost anything. So yeah, so this is my first time on the GOAT app, and it actually wasn't a bad experience ordering off the GOAT app. So let's see if these sneakers are legit and what it says it's gonna be. So I ordered these sneakers on June 13th, if I'm not mistaken. Let me make sure. Okay. All right. Oh my God. It's so hot. I'm melting. I need to make this quick. Okay. So I ordered these sneakers on June 18th and I got a notification on the 19th saying that my order is being shipped, meaning the person who I bought it from accepted my purchase and they're shipping it to GOAT. So that took a while, and then it got to GOAT like by the 25th. Yeah, lies. I got it the 23rd, and then they shipped it out, and I was supposed to get it the 28th, but I don't know what happened, and UPS was like, well, sorry, you're gonna get your package on the 30th. So I ended up getting it on the 30th. So that was about like, what, 10, 13 days or something like that? So that's how long it took me to get these kicks. Now, these are sneakers that I already had, and I needed to buy a new pair because I done bust up the other one. And I felt like these were like good classic black sneakers I could wear with anything. So this is the box it came in. I was a little annoyed with the packaging because it didn't say GOAT on it, which I loved, but it did have my number on there and I didn't like that. So that one is set. So it came like this. The box, it said it was in good condition, so I already knew that it was gonna be like that. I got a size 5.5. I hope it fits because the other size I got a 5, but I was like, you know what, let me try a 5.5 and see if it fits a little bit better because it's just a little narrow. My foot is a wide foot. So this is it. This is the box. The condition is pretty good. So in the box, I have the GOAT tag with, I guess, the GOAT authentication card. Yeah, so it lets you know that they checked off everything, which is the SKU and size, right foot, right and left foot, the shoe condition, box condition, accessories, the structure, the color, material, stitching, sole, and tag label. So all of those were verified by the GOAT app. So let's see. And these are it. I love these. Definitely dusty a little bit. You could have dusted it off, but these are the sneakers I decided to get. Again, these are the cap and gown black cat. It still comes with the Jordan symbol in here, and these kind of look exactly like how the other shoe was. Well, they are, because they're the right shoe, the right size, the right color. It doesn't look fake, so I'm happy about that. Let's smell the shoe to make sure it wasn't worn. Nope, never worn. Boom. I don't know, my first time using the GOAT app was very easy. With the sellers, you never know, because it might take them a while to, like, if you make an offer or not, it might take them a while to like realize that they have somebody who is interested in buying the product. Oh my God, you see all this sweat on me? This is just sweat. Cool. So how much did I pay for that? So originally when I bought them, they first came out, I paid $200. Now I'm buying it again and I still paid $200, which I wasn't so mad at because that's how much the sneaker was originally and I couldn't find it anywhere, so I'm fine with that. So the actual price of those sneakers that the person was selling them for, I think was $175, and I'm gonna tell you how it got up to $200. Well, $203, I believe. Yeah, so the sneakers were $175, so I was hyped. I'm like, boom, $175, that ain't nothing. Well, it is something. I ain't say that ain't nothing, but you know what I mean. So shipping was $12, and then tax was $16.61. So that came up to the total of $203.61. And I was like, come on, son, this is annoying. Honestly, if it would have came up to more than that, I wouldn't have bought the sneaker. I don't like the whole upselling the sneakers for that much all the time, depending on the sneaker, not for those. So I'm gonna try those on. I'm gonna see how it is on my feet and see if I like them. But before we get to that, I'm gonna just show y'all what I got from Foot Locker. So I end up buying the new Jordan 5s, not the red ones. I end up buying the black ones with a little bit of the grape purple on it. The day it dropped on the 20th, and I got these the same day I got the other sneakers, which was on the 30th. So that's how long it took to come. What is up with this dusty stuff? The box is all dusty a little bit. I'm getting like the bottom of the barrel dusty boxes. So this is in the regular retro box. I'm not a sneakerhead. I meant to tell you, I'm not a sneakerhead, so I don't know that much about all these sneakers. Like, I know about them, but I'm not like a crazy sneakerhead where I know like all of the details. So this is the first look of them. I hope I actually end up liking them. Like, for real, for real. Ooh, they look kind of big. I usually wear a size 5, but I remember me trying these on from somebody like a long time ago. And I was like, oh, maybe I should get a 5.5. So I'm gonna try these on. If it don't fit, because they look kind of big, I'm gonna just have to order another one, which is a 5. Yeah, and these weren't sold out, which I knew it wasn't gonna be, because not a lot of people like the purple on the tongue. But I kind of liked it, and I really wanted the original metallic ones, but those always been on resale for mad bread, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just wait till I come back around. So for now, I got these. Got the purple tongue. I love the bluish tealish interior. This has it says on the inside fire, red, metallic, and grape, because that's all of the retros that's in the shoe. The thing I hate about this shoe and the other shoe I got is like the suede, so it'll get messed up quick if you like throw some juice on it. Not that you would want to do that, but if anything falls on it, if it get wet, scuffed up, that's what I kind of hate about it. But it looks sleek. I like the iridescent it has here on the back. Not that anybody's gonna be seeing this cute little red slab. The fire red is dope. Yeah, I don't really want to talk about the shoe because I don't, like I said, it's pointless. So I really like it. So these are my 2 purchases, and I'm happy with them. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and try them on, and we're gonna see how they fit. And you give me a second, I'm gonna go get the other sneaker. All right, so I'm back. Don't get scared about what these sneakers look like, okay? These are it, and this was the real main reason, where is it, why I got them over, because of this, and it just looks really, really beat up. So now I could use these sneakers to dance with, and just look at it. I could just use them to dance with, or just do something real regular, go to the store, and now I could wear these when I go out and look cute. So I usually don't buy 2 of the same sneakers at all. This is my first time actually doing it, but this sneaker I wear with almost everything, so this is worth it. So I'm hoping that me getting this size is not that much of a difference. I don't think so. I hope it has a little bit more room, but yeah, so these are the sneakers I bought. I'm gonna close it out here, because then the last clip you're gonna see is me trying them on, and I might try them on just so you can see with pants and without pants. No, you're not gonna see my booty. You're not gonna see my booty. So you might just wait and see after this if you're gonna see my booty or not. Anyway, so yes, I know my hair is like this, but that's because I'm doing another video. So we about to open this up and see what's in here. Got the goat tags and everything. I don't know what this is, but this came in it. Look at them! These are beautiful! Oh, I'm hyped. Please let them fit. Yo, I wanted these so bad for my birthday, and look, I'm gonna try it on. Dang, so it fits. It just gives me like snug vibes. Let me stand up. I'm gonna wear it in my hallway and I'm gonna see what's up. I mean, my foot has room to like come out the back a little bit, so that's good. I think a 5.5 in these, like my other ones, would have been a little bit more smarter. I think these are probably cheaper, so I just got them. And I know I'm a normal 5, but thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show the 2 sneakers that I got and just let you guys know how my first time using the GOAT app was. It was simple. I might do it again. I don't really like to pay. I really don't like to pay a resale for my sneakers, so we'll see if I order from there again or not. But I enjoyed ordering from there. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and rate, comment, subscribe. This is my first time doing a sneaker thing like this, like I said before, and I will see you in the next one. Later. Oh, real quick, before I forget to go, I'm thinking of doing a DIY outfit to go with these. I don't know yet, but if I do, look out for that, because I do DIYs on my channel. So look out for that DIY if I decide to do a cute little outfit with these. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and for real, later.